Hi, good morning sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And yeah, so nandito ako sa aking room. Very seldom akong mag-vlog dito sa yan. This is my meron akong room sa it's divided into two eh. So yun yung transaction place ko talaga. Then this is my room. So dito ako nag-brainstorm and all that. And I just visited my by the way, katatapos ko pala ngayon mag-live sa aking Business Rockstar Circle. It's a daily mentoring program ni Doc Gigi. So, sa lahat ng mga gustong mag-enroll, pwede pa po kayong humabol. Okay? So, it's a one month po yon na membership, exclusive group that I'm sending video. 2 days na kami and live ang ginagawa ko. So, parang mas feel ko na parang nandiyan lang sila sa tabi ko. So, if you want to avail, you can also avail. Okay? And I was just reading my book. Binalikan ko kasi yung libro ko after my live. So, nakita ko dito, merong isang part na parang suggestion on how to embrace transformation. It's embracing transformation. Nakita ko yung binalikan ko siya. So, nabasa ko yung expand your territory. Expand your territory, alright? So, alam niyo sa buhay, kailangan nag-expand din ang territory natin eh. So, samahan niyo ka po, nagko-coffee tayo. Ay, coffee natin. Paano nga ba tayo mag-expand ng territory? Alam niyo, yun siguro yung unang strategy na ginawa ko sa buhay ko na nakapagpabago sa atin ng buhay natin, okay? So, as you know, I used to teach, right? Then, nag-expand tayo ng territory. So, nagsimula tayo na maging speaker. Okay, so speak tayo as motivational speaker to different schools and companies. Then, okay na, nag-expand ulit tayo ng territory. So, I started running my YouTube channel. So, nag-share ako about my experiences, about business, and about investment. So, ang sharing ko galing sa mga business owners na nagpapablog sa atin. Something like that. And all from my readings. Then, I expanded again my territory. So, nag-launch ako ng small businesses natin noon. So, yung iba okay, yung iba naging okay, hindi naging okay, pero at least merong mga naging good. So, it's again expanding my territory. Then, another, nag-expand ulit tayo when I started being a coach, business consultant, and now I launched different businesses. So, meron tayo ngayon online courses, digital marketing solutions, and meron tayong nasa pipeline na marami pang dapat gawin. So I just want to share this with you na whatever you are doing right now, kung tingin mo yan na yung final destination mo, it's not yet. So ang challenge ko sa iyo ngayon, expand your territory. That means you add one more thing na kaya mo pang gawin. So if you are working right now, no problem with that. So basta gawin mo yan na masaya ka, 'di ba? So just add. So pwedeng magsulat ka rin ng book mo just like me. So I wrote this when I was still in the academy. You can write your book or you can start doing like if you can edit videos, if you can do website, or if you can do punta tayo sa agriculture, gardening, or you can do other things na tingin mo yung territory mo ngayon na dyan lang umiikot, mag-expand unti-unti. Unti-unti naman yun eh. Alam niyo yung ginawa ko, it took me 3 years, more than 3 years. So, bago nangyari lahat ng to. Okay? So, you can do the same. Ang simula mo lang ganito. Magsimula kasi isang bagay na gusto mong gawin. You can start with your skill or you can start con opportunity outside. Basta ang target mo lang ay, I want to expand my territory. Ang ibig lang sabihin nun, I want to do more than what I am doing right now. Okay? So, and if you need coach or mentor, just message me. I can be your coach. Okay? Alright? So, have a great day. Good morning to all of you. Let's go, let's go.